Today, we bring you a special update on the works at Barcelona's new stadium, Spotify Camp Nou. The magnificent project is advancing rapidly, and we can't wait to see the final result. The good news is that work has started on the rehabilitation of the pitch. This is an indication that we have entered a very important phase in the further progress of the works. In all other sectors, such as the works on the installation of the third-level pillars of the stands, the interiors, the perforation of the giant steel pillars with concrete, the completion of the stands with new seats as well as the parking areas, and the redevelopment of the surrounding area is continuing at a satisfactory pace. Barcelona President Laporta has provided an update on the situation and hopes to have good news for fans next year. We are making the new Spotify Camp Nou a reality, which continues to progress with some inconvenient things, he said. We will not return until the first phase of the Champions League is over, but we are working to have the right conditions. There are more glorious moments than others, but we are working to deliver good news in 2025. I hope they come from Spotify Camp Nou, which is a place where people can be happy. The works are continuing according to plan, and the stadium is expected to be ready in time for next season. What do you think of the stadium's progress? Do you think this will be the best stadium in the world? Leave your comments and let us know what you think of the project. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow for more interesting updates. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.